Tabby, what do you have on? Did you put that on by yourself?
The nails.
Yeah.
The nail polish.
Uh-huh. What about your outfit? Did you pick that out by yourself?
Yep.
You did? Why? Did you pick that out or did Mommy pick it out? You did. 'Cause you're a big girl, huh? Those are some awesome shoes. Are you ready to go out to the YMCA like that? Tabby? You are? Okay. Love you.